Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, I know that it's been a 2 months break for the YouTube channel and I had too many reasons and too many excuses for the same. But you know what? The whole purpose of making this video is to actually put this one message out, and for that you have to watch it till the end. Now I'm gonna state so many things what were happening in my life in the past 2 months, because of which it was just not possible for me to kind of record a video. Well, there were too many things happening, and that's why I took a pause for like just 10 days in March. And in those 10 days, life was literally turning upside down, and I just did not know what to do, what are the next steps to take. After those 10 days, suddenly my mama passed away, and since then life has not been the same. And I have been meaning to create content and get back to YouTube since a very long time, because I know consistency is the key, but then I wanted to give the best. I wanted to have like the best background, wearing the best outfit, making sure that everything is consistent in terms of how it looks to you people. But then I realized that I met a random person that I had gone to meet, and then I realized that she recognized me because of my YouTube videos and told me how much it was helping her. And then I was like, you know what? I think the best thing, the consistent thing in my videos was my content, and not the way it looked and not the way I presented it. I mean, of course, I need to make that better as well. But here I am. I've already worn this outfit in one of the YouTube videos, and I'm out actually with my mom. I've gotten her to Sri Lanka for a first international trip, and she's representing Mrs. India and the contest in Sri Lanka. I was looking at this location and I was like, you know what, it would have been so nice if I would have had a little bit of different outfit or kind of been in a different headspace to create content. And then it made me feel like, you know what, just let it be. I am at Golf Fort right now, and that's the view, that's the ocean, that's how beautiful the sky looks. This is I'm in Sri Lanka, that's the Sri Lankan flag, and that's how it looks like. And I thought, you know what, let's make this video about consistency. So for all the people who've been following my content and have seen it, know that the next video that I was going to make was about mindset training, and how you can kind of help yourself with the right mindset if you just wire your brain. And I have been doing that. I work on it. We spoke about how to make your goals, and the goals have been great. March 15 days I couldn't make those goals. I started again in April, but after 15 days I could not keep up because there was just so much, the international trip coming up, doing preparations for mama, and just so many things happening. And then you know what, that got missed out as well. And then so many people, because the YouTube video was performing, so many people were like DMing me that Kanishka, the videos are so good and we're like so happy since we started the goal setting, and thank you so much for all of that. And I realized, you know, I kind of gave it to people and I was not doing it myself. And it happens to the best of people, the best of YouTubers, the best of people you see online who are kind of telling you what to do, probably are not able to keep up. But you know what works? Consistency. And this is what I've seen in my work, in my business, and I've seen that on my Instagram also. The little bit of content I post, thank you so much to everyone for all the love and everything that you people give. And then I realized, you know what, my whole thought behind YouTube was not to create content like I do on Instagram. It was about consistency. It was about actually telling people and showing it to people that, you know what, this is how I have changed my life. My life in the past 4 years have turned upside down. There are numerous things happening. You all should have seen the lifestyle I had 4 years ago. And it kind of hit me that, you know what, let's not see how the video looks like. My face is so dull right now because of the heat. I did not do any makeup because I thought we just have to go to church, so we went to church. I did not even put a jhumka on an Indian outfit. Like, I'm just raw. And for all the people who know me, know that I'm not very fond of makeup or getting ready. I just like live in the moment. And I know that for the people watching would also say that, oh, you should have just lived in the moment here and not kind of focused on creating YouTube content. But I think this is going to be a core memory etched in my mind, because it's just been 45 days that we lost my mama. And my mom, in spite of all the odds, I know it hurts her. Just right now when we were walking up the Golf Fort, she was talking about him, and I know she misses him, but in spite of all the odds, she was like, I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna do it for him. You know, there's this song, I Can Do It With a Broken Heart, and it takes so much courage for people to not pause in spite of the things happening in our life. We make so many plans for future. We invest for the future without even knowing what the future holds. But there will be ups and downs, and still making sure that you are going and you keep on going makes a hell lot of difference. Even in the business, I mean, for all of y'all know, after paying advance tax and everything, April is a May where too many things are upside down, and plus I had to plan an international trip just during that time. And I'm just like probably ranting at this point and sharing that, okay, what are the things that were going wrong. There are too many things I can talk to you all about, which I will eventually. But I am going to start the mindset training videos very soon. And those mindset training, the first thing that has really helped me change my life is that do not delay, do not procrastinate. I mean, of course, procrastination is a part of life, and I procrastinate a lot too. But you know, even moving 1% makes a hell lot of difference. Like, for example, I know that I could not make the perfect YouTube video. I wanted to do it before I came to Sri Lanka. I kept promising my team that I'm going to do it and you all don't have to worry about it. But then, you know what? It's not about moving that 100% that's kind of going to bring the output. It's about just taking that 1% step, that 1% movement that's going to bring the difference. And that's what I'm doing with this video. This video does not really have pointers that I mention in all of my videos about how you can change your life. But I think even if this video helps that 1% people to kind of move that 1% that's going to alter their life today, it's going to make so much difference. You know the laws of Newton, the first law that says an object at rest stays at rest, but an object in motion continues to be in a state of motion. We need to put ourselves from the state of rest to a state of motion, and that's what I wanted to do with this video. So maybe this video does not really have me sitting with a pen and paper and trying to explain what I'm trying to do, but guess what this video has? An inertia. It has a little bit movement that I have made for myself, a promise to remain consistent no matter where I am, which country I am in, or where I am, with whom I am. I'm still going to make sure that I give my best. And I want to really also talk about what happened in my life, that everything came at standstill, what is going on, and what am I imagining to do. And there's so much more to share. But yes, if you watch this video till here and if you are in this journey with me, stay with me, because too many things, and plus my besties are getting married, so it's going to be the most heaviest week for me. 9th May I travel to Sri Lanka, and then till 26th May I'm really busy because both my best friends have their wedding. But you know what, in spite of everything, I'm going to make sure that I stay consistent, because someone told me this, that Kanishka, you do it for others, but if you do not take time and do it for yourself, if you're not selfish enough to do it for yourself, you'll not be able to do it. And guess what, the same thing someone had told me, one of my Canada clients, when I was actually working on her personal brand. And she told me that if you don't take time for yourself, people will never know you. You'll always be on the back end. And that's when I started with my Instagram, posting consistently. And now at least all of you people know me because of that. So I think I needed this push, and that's what I'm giving it to you people, giving you that push. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please stay consistent. I'm not even asking you to stay consistent very regularly, but be at inertia, be at movement, don't be at rest. And that's what, from this beautiful location. This is me, Kanishka, with my mom. Mama, say hi. Wish her all the best in the comments. And this is me, Kanishka, signing off. I'll see you guys in the next video very soon.